Pharmaceutical marijuana stocks are ripe with potential. Can these canna pharma pot stocks make headway in September? Pharmaceutical marijuana stocks have been making big headway in the cannabis industry for quite some time. While they may not be as popular as some other pot stocks like Cresco Labs Inc. or Charlotte's Web Holdings Inc., they do present opportunity in a specific market. One of the advantages to pharmaceutical pot stocks is that they often are less volatile than pure-play cannabis stocks. Companies like Cronos Group Inc. have large ties to the cannabis industry and therefore are the most volatile. But pharmaceutical pot stocks usually have other business outside of the cannabis industry. This means that they have exposure to cannabis, but not enough to make them a pure-play company. With that in mind, these companies are subject to volatility in terms of speculation. The most popular pharmaceutical marijuana stock, GW Pharmaceuticals Inc., is one of the leading cannabis pharmaceutical companies. In early August of this year, GW Pharmaceutical stock rose following an announcement after the FDA approval of its drug, Epidiolex. Epidiolex is used to treat several rare seizure disorders, including Lennox-Gastaut syndrome and tuberosclerosis. In its most recent second quarter, GW Pharmaceutical stock posted revenue of around $111 million. This is due mostly to the sales of Epidiolex. Worldwide, there are currently 50,000 patients who could utilize Epidiolex to treat their respective disorders. This means that aside from the drug being able to help people, sales may remain strong in the foreseeable future. In addition to Epidiolex, many investors believe that GW Pharmaceutical stock could have solid long-term potential. A less popular pharmaceutical pot stock to watch. AVVV Inc. is another popular pharmaceutical stock, but one that is not as popular as GW Pharmaceuticals Inc. As of late 2019, AVVV stock was gaining due to the company's 59 medical cannabis patents. Currently, AVVV remains the largest holder of medicinal marijuana patents in the world. Although it is not a producer of cannabis, its role in the cannabis industry puts it in a category of marijuana stocks. The company has worked on the production and sale of Marinol, which is a drug used to treat nausea in those undergoing cancer treatment. Because of the success of the drug, AVVV stock has seen a great deal of attention in the past year or so, but as usual, AVVV stock can be quite volatile due to its position in the cannabis industry. Similar to GW Pharmaceutical stock, AVVV has a shot at growth if it can continue to produce new drugs for sale in the market. If it only continues its sale of Marinol, it should remain in good shape for the foreseeable future. With that in mind, investors should continue to keep a close eye on AVVV Inc.